So we're at Captree. You can see this fish in the water and blue crabs. Saturday. Today's the 14th or the 13th? Yeah. I'm recording the entrance. Let's get some fish today. That's my son over there. Let's go. Foggy day, not that windy. It's actually really nice. Get everything set up. See, he's nice and comfortable. See? That chair is nice, right? It's a king of Captree right now. You like the chair?
I mean, there's like 5 people here.
Yeah. You want your jacket? You want your jacket? Yeah. Yeah. You should put a tiny hook.
No, I'm gonna 6 wide.
Yeah, but I said put a tiny hook in one of them, like size 1, and see if we get some pufferfish.
Yeah.
Catch something for fun, you know.
Like,
Not
like what? Like
size 1, size less than 1 actually, like porky hooks.
or even worse, like
Size 1 is good. You want like a decent like.
You know what? I'll just put like 5 hooks. I'm sure they hook.
No, you saw my hooks, right? I have the size a little bit smaller size 1 hook, the 8-1 at the bottom. If they're at that pier at Shinnecock, I dip it that 8 hook with like clam on it. Yeah, straight down the pier, just bouncing it. Yeah, forget it. Like 2-3 trigger hooks coming at a time, and they're swarming, you know. Or maybe even blackfish together. You're like boom, like oh fuck, like you know. Got something for you. Oh no, it's the wrong glove with the wrong glove. No wonder it felt weird. Yeah, just wear it back. Screw it. Oh, I think it has eggs.
Yeah.
Eggs. First pelicle of the day. With eggs.
Yep.
Okay, we'll let it back down. Let it eat the chicken. Let it grow. Eggs. Try the other one. You try the corner one. How about the corner one here? Brandon. Try the corner one here. You like the new apron? Nice and big and colorful, and your knife can be in your pocket. Alright? Let's go! Now drop the thing down behind you, the wire, and pull up. Yeah. Let's see, I want to see a big fish in there. Ooh! Nothing. Nothing. How about that green one?
Don't they want to?
Come on, let's get it before they run off. I'm telling you, that's the problem having too many rods. Still there?
No, it's not.
Huh? Good. You had it. You saw that? It flipped the whole bell out.
I think it's the thing.
Yeah. You put a whole piece of shrimp?
Where's the spunker?
Huh? Yeah, you took a big one, man. Wow.
What is it? The other pot. Fish nipple it.
I've been doing for like a couple of years now. The most I can handle is 5. Any more, you better bring a friend, you know?
Oh.
You can't manage all of that, you know? Brandon, where are you?
Right here.
Oh, okay. Just don't drop the knives. That's a good set. Next time if I see before you, do you want me to just pull it up?
Yeah, I guess if I can't catch it, right?
Yeah, because if you're like running like 10 seconds, sometimes it's that 1-2 second where you're gonna try to set the hook.
Yeah.
That's all you got.
Yeah, I mean like.
That fish ain't gonna wait for you. He's gonna try. He's trying to de-hook.
No, he nibbled it. He didn't eat it. He nibbled it.
Yeah, he's gonna try to de-hook.
He nibbled the whole thing. It's okay, you just want to catch fish. I don't mind them swing like a lot. I don't care 6, 7, 8, I do. You know, it's just setting up is hard. I'm trying to pre-set up everything, you know. But I'm like,
Yeah, but that's spider crab. My son's favorite torture bit. Yeah. Something small, you know. What do you think? You're not gonna feel it's small. It's very light. And probably just a crab. Time to read the 43% chance of rain. My son is ready. Put your hood back on and tighten the cord on your neck. Everything waterproof. I got my waterproof stuff on. I mean, I'm already waterproof. I'll put another layer just to be safe. Waterproof. This one? But not my pants. Oh, you got this one? Yeah, I don't want any more get too many. No, what you do is like cut them up and put it in here as chum and you get more family. No, just chop him out and just put his guts all over the place. No, I'm serious. Way, there's only me and Ricky and my son here. Somebody left their bag and their gloves. Probably due to the rain. But since there's nobody here, we can test everything out. If there was a lot more fish, it'd be fun. But there's a lot of seagulls or pelicans, whatever. So there's something in there. I mean, there might be a bunker thing in front of me. Instead of tossing this out, let me toss my weighted treble hook. So some people in a rush to leave when it's raining and they left this. Plastic, gloves, all kinds of stuff. Like try your best to just clean up and not leave this stuff because this stuff don't biodegrade. It's not like a cleanest tissue, you know. They were next to a trash can too, but just try your best. I know they were in a rush, but you know, don't leave your garbage around. See that guy? He's just walking around. He goes to the very end. He picks up my crab cage. He lifts up to look at it. Free bait, nice. Yeah, be careful with people like this, man. Just checks other people's crab cages, thinking like that person in the bathroom or something. At least you didn't try to steal anything, but finally, look. Woo, tasty. First big. Huh? That's the biggest that they get? No, they get bigger. Remember the big one I got? Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, he's,
shit, they try to bite you.
He's feisty. He's strong too. Oh, you almost got me there. Almost got me there. They're coming now, finally. Yes, sir, finally. Woo! Oh, you want to play? You want to play? Finally. First calico crab of the day. Brandon, it's gonna bite you. Look. Ta-da! Finally. Finally a sacrifice for the ages. Here, pinch yourself. He keep trying to pinch me. Such an asshole. Go die, asshole. Did you eat all the chips or did you close it?
Yeah.
Good boy. Fine. Look. There's a female with a lot of eggs though. No, it's a timing thing. They have night cycles right now. So this is a nice, beautiful female with a lot of eggs. She's woo. She's preggo. Maybe. So pull it in. I think it's seaweed maybe. You better clean it off. You know? Female, I think. I think this is a keeper female. It's pretty big. Pretty big. Yeah, it's a female. You can tell by the smaller claws.
Oh, look at the ass. No, yeah, the ass. The ass is
No, but I'm saying you can tell right away from the front if by the small claws. Right before you look at the.
This one, right? This one, alive minnow, Captree. This one, right? 1 inch.
Huh?
You have to get the fatty one, right? This one, right?
Yeah, you want at least 6 or 7 inches. I got the 7 inch, but they're very expensive. They're like $10 for 4, man.
Wait, how much is this?
Brenda, look. Got a nice big one. That's only the second one, but it's 6 o'clock. So hopefully the nighttime thing is gonna work out. I'm gonna get some from tonight.
Yeah, what about this one? This one is Z-Man, right? This one, fatty one?
Not a skate. I got a fish, Brandon. Brandon, I got a fish. What is it, you think? Huh? It's your favorite fish, Mr. Skate. You want to chop him up and dissect him? Huh? Learn science? Like, do some science on this guy. Nah, my son wants to chop him up. Do some dissection. Nice skate. Making flounder, hopefully. That's the plan. Look, I'm gonna make fillet like this. This will be, the skin will be nice and tough, you know? So hopefully you can make nice
Sushi?
sashimi. I guess.
I wonder how it's still alive.
It's not live, just twitch much though. You stabbed it in the head like 20 times, it's dead. So just hope I can make some. It's tough, man. So yeah, these are the strips, like how much jig.
I'm doing.
Hope I don't cut myself. Thank God I got these gloves. So see, look, this is gonna be nice fillets.
Think
Right?
that's 5?
That's slimy and disgusting. So it's all I did. Look, hold this part, right? Get like slice it through, stab it in, slice it through the thin part first, right? Then you can like chop down because it's a fat knife and you chop down like a cleaver. Look, the best jigging jerkbait with the tough skin of the skate. What do you think? I think that's an idea. I caught a monster. I caught a monster size one. Oh shit. There we go. Woo! Monster, yeah. Oh yeah. That's a male right here. Ain't no eggs on you. And rock crab too. They're coming. I told you. It's nighttime, people. Nighttime, people. Oh, okay, rock crab. You get blackfish with these. Nighttime, people. Nighttime. I told you. Look at that. Look at the size of this beast. Angry too. Look at that, yeah. Big male. Right? It's always a nice cycle. People coming. Your strap is on the floor too. Yeah. Look, Brandon. Brandon, got a big one. Look. Ta-da. Nice. Let's get to it, boys. Finally. Some results. Don't have a lot of them, but what we do have is pretty big. Look at that. Look at this freaking male. Gigantic. Look at it. It's like Budicus. Fight! Round one. Fight! I'm not gonna mess with him. He's scary. Another decent sized male coming to dinner. It's tough today, man. Waiting till nighttime for this shit is gonna be tough. Finally, some more action. Ricky! Some more action. Go. Get it. Get it. Get it. Bag of chips and crisps. There you go, baby. Oh, I call it monster crab. Yeah, you can't escape. That has some weight, just 5 pounds on this cage. It wasn't sinking before, now it's sinking.
Look at the monsters now. Oh, there's some meat on this one. Look at that. Alright. Say hello to my little friend. Got some meat here. Let's go. Get in there. Oh yeah. Oh, be careful. Put it over here. Did he just leave it there? It's so crazy sometimes. Just us alone here. Little decent sized male. Come here, male. Come here, man. Can you handle him? Can you handle him? Look at this trick. I let him pinch himself, and then I can handle him like this. Is this slick?
Yeah.
With one hand. With one hand. That's pretty smart. And then with one hand, I could take this 32-inch giant. He's struggling with me, but I got him nice. Okay. Here, fix this. Fix this nut. Toss that crab up there. Hope he doesn't escape. Let's get a few more. They're coming at night. They're scattered. They're not swarming these waters yet, like last year. So it's tough, but I'm catching the big ones only. And so it's good. Got the big ones. I think I got a good amount for a meal. Get that steam going. Let's see. What we got, boys? See what you got. Okay, look, we got a bunch of them. They don't die or fall down. You gotta put something in there to lift it back up. Yeah, caught a big crab. Oh wow, look at that. A giant. Holy cow. Hooked on. Look at that shit. Wow, look, I caught a giant. I was like, why it's so heavy? Look what the skate meat caught in. Hey, now we got some. That's a nice crab, actually. It tastes really good steam. They say good boiled too.
Oh, these?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Steam, boiled, good.
Well, he can climb on the meat.
No, he climbed on the skate meat. Look, this is a skate. We filleted the skate.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, shit.
Oh, then you got use for the skate now. Look at this guy.
Oh, it's huge.
I'm trying to eat butter.
But over there so shallow. People all hang out there. I don't get it. Like, you know how literally that's like 2 meters. Yeah, like over here, that the current's so heavy, all the baits just get turned up.
He got hooked good. Oh yeah.
Come and hit them right there.
Nice.
Can people go behind and catch it with yeah.
This is my trick for one hand handling. You do this.
And they clamp on each other.
Yeah, and then you just go like this, and then you're good.
Yep.
Yeah. Shit. This is a nice fish.
Because there's not a lot of people. Why are you saying?
Yeah, this is a nice fish. Come here. So big, right? Can't believe you got on the hook. The biggest one of the day on the hook. That's crazy. So I think the skate fillet is good for crabs. Might work for the blue crabs. He got hooked on this thing. I thought it was seaweed, but that's what I like about bait fishing. You don't know what's gonna cook up. This shit is butter. Getting big now, boys. Alright, we're getting big boys. Yeah, we're getting big now. Yeah, he's big. Coming. It's crab time, babe. There you go, another nice big male coming here to mate. Yeah, there you go. Yeah. There you go. Big male. Just give me a few more. I'll be happy to leave. They're coming. There's another one. Look, they're coming. Finally, nighttime hits. They're coming. I want 150 of these. Right? I want 150 of these. Let's go. Fuck the fish, man. Give me the crabs. I think it's striped bass. Come. Yeah, it's a bluefish maybe. We gotta get him fast. I don't want the hook. Bluefish. Yeah, I knew they're out there, man. Woo! Bluefish. Yeah. Yeah. I don't know if bluefish or shad. It looks like a bluefish. No, it's not a bluefish. I don't know what it is. I think it's a shad. Brandon, look. I think it's a shad.
No, it was a
No, the bluefish mouth is not like this. It's not like a bass mouth. It should be shad.
That's not the kingfish.
I don't know what it is.
That's a striped bass.
That's not a striped bass. It's a shad. Oh shit, a shad.
It's a shad, right?
Yeah. Oh,
That's
it
funny.
caught on it. I was like, oh, action.
Where did he hook?
Huh?
Where did it hook?
Huh?
Where did it hook on?
No, this thing.
I mean, like a mouth or like what?
Yeah, just he bit it. He attacked it. If I had the sabiki right now, they're right there. Yeah, the water's affecting the flow. And look, we just hit the mother low. Look at this, yeah. Yeah. Wow. Big one. Big ass spider crab. Look at this thing. Brandon, look how big this is. We hit the mother load all at once. And look at this. We got a big one right here. Oh. Ah, get in here. Come. Go. Oh yeah. Just caught that nice shad. Big ass shad with a big fight. Don't squeeze them. Don't turn the dirty floor. We should catch another shad. There's 5 limits. There's like 3 of us to get 15. Shit. Maybe they're still in that corner. Yeah, it can't be just a single shad randomly coming up. That would be weird. And now it's like nighttime. Stupid crabs are coming out at nighttime. Oh, there we go. There we go. They're coming at night. Is that a female with eggs? Yeah, I think she has eggs. Yep. Female with eggs. Put them back in the water. Don't kill the babies. Let them give birth. Nice female with eggs. Beautiful eggs. They're all breeding right now. Let go. Okay, let's get some shad. So it was a pretty good day. It was raining. It wasn't really cold, windy, so we were basically in the rain. My son did really well, you know. He soaked it in. The guy got the little chair for him so he could be comfortable. But for a 9-year-old, you know, he could do like 10 hours of crabbing, fishing, and 2 hours of driving back and forth. There wasn't a lot of crab today, but the ones that we did caught were big males or big females, so the big ones are here. I'm very surprised the blue crabs are not here yet. I think last year they were here already in second week of May, so next week is next Saturday is like 87 degrees. I'm going to New Jersey most likely with my friend to try flounder jigging there for 17-inch salmon flounder. It's 18 and a half inches in New York, so all you need is register at the New Jersey website and print out your own Marine Fishing New Jersey registry, and you can go. It's free, just the tolls to cross like 2 bridges. Staten Island, New Jersey is $45, so that's gonna be tough. So whatever, and I do a 3 ounce diamond jig with a red tail, and then I caught this 17-inch hickory shad, and it was an amazing fight. One of the biggest shads I ever seen. It might have been the first shad I caught, but you know, I've gotten shad from other people who gave me a lot, like 10 of them before, like 5 each time, because there's a 5 limit, you know. So hopefully someone will try Captree this Saturday, the 21st, and get a lot of blue crabs. Take care.